Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This text says with Samuel, the channel that we share knowledge on technology. We give AI tools and also give some website that add value to our daily life. So today's video, we're going to be sharing knowledge on a topic that is very, very important. Although it is not new, but I just have a need for me to share it again. And it is an investment in stock. So today I'm going to be breaking it down in a simple way. Starting by explaining what a stock is, what is an investment. So what is a stock? Imagine a company is worth 1 billion naira and divides its ownership into 1 million shares. If you buy one share, you own one tiny portion of that company. So when you buy shares of a company like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, or Nigerian companies such as Dangote Cement, Dangote Sugar, etc., you are essentially saying, I believe this company can become more valuable in the future, so I want to own a small portion of it. So how do you make money when it comes to investing in stock? There are mainly two ways. Number one, the stock's price increases. Suppose you buy a stock for 1,000 naira. Later the stock rises to 1,500 naira, making 500 naira as your profit. That's 50% gain before tax. Another way to make money from stock is by dividends. What is a dividend? Okay, so companies share part of their profits with shareholders. This payment is called dividend. For example, if you own 100 worth of shares and the company paying 20 naira dividends per share, meaning they're paying you 20 naira for one share and you have 1,000 worth of shares, so it means you're getting 20 naira times the number of shares you have. So that, for like I said, if you have 1,000 worth of share multiplied by the 20 naira they're giving, so that's about 20,000 naira. So you're going to receive 20,000 dividend in your account while still owning the shares. The share is still your own. You still have the share the capital and everything, you still have it in your account. So why do stock prices go up and down? I'm going to share with us why stock prices go up and down. So some stocks are affected by things such as how much money the company is making, whether the company is growing, news about the company, the economy, interest rates, inflation, investor confidence, supply and demand. So for example, if a company announces that its profits have doubled, like MTN for instance, more people may want to buy a stock, potentially pushing the price higher. If the company reports major losses, investor may sell, causing the price to fall. Another thing you need to know when it comes to investing in stock is not gambling. In stock, because you randomly hope its price will jump from 1,000 to 2,000 tomorrow, and then it jump to 3,000. That's closer to speculation, and I'm not going to advise you to do that because you want to invest in stock. Investment in stock is not gambling. What does diversification? What does it mean? Just like saying it says, it's not advisable to put all your eggs in one basket. So let's take for instance, you have 1 million naira to invest in stock. So it's always advisable to diversify. You put 200 in MTN, you put another 200 in Zenith, another 200 in GTB, another 200 in Seplat, and so on and so forth. The reason why you do this is because when one company is doing very bad or poor, it doesn't affect others' shares. So that's why sometimes it's always advisable to diversify when it comes to investment in shares. Having said that, so I'm going to be showing you a platform, the best platform that I use for savings and investment, and I also can recommend to you because I've been using it for more than 7 years, and it's something I would love you to also try. It's called Cowrywise. You can invest with Cowrywise. So because of today's video, I'm going to focus strictly on investing on stock. So the first thing to do is to go to Play Store or Apple Store, download Cowrywise to your phone, or if you want to use browser, you can just go to my.cowrywise.com, then sign up, fill all the necessary information, you create an account, fill all the necessary information, and make sure you complete all your profile before you proceed. So after you have successfully registered, complete your profile, then come here and log in with your email and your password you set while you are setting up your account. Welcome to Cowrywise, a digital wealth management platform designed to make saving and investing easier for everyday individual and investors. Today, I want to focus specifically on investment opportunity available through Cowrywise and how the platform can help investors put their money to work rather than simply leaving it idle. So just like I said, I'm trying to check if all my profile settings are done before I proceed to investment. So let's quickly explore all companies available and their shares listed. So you can check as a group, industrial goods, you can see it, you can see what they have under consumer goods, you can see under agriculture, the same thing ICT and oil and gas. So under oil and gas, you can see Aradale, you can see Jopo Gold and Venture, you can see Oando. Then if you go to ICT, you can also see the company available under ICT. The same thing goes to agriculture. So if you go to my watch list, you're going to see all available watch lists I've added. So under construction, okay, that's MTN. You see the price at the moment. So because of this video, we're going to be using one stock as an example to buy. So I'm going to be guiding you through how you can buy the stock. So let's use one of the stock available to test run. All right, we're working with Sovereign Trust Insurance PLC. At the moment, the price is 1 naira 82 kobo. So you can see at the moment the price is going up. One thing I also advise is to always check how the stock you want to put in, how they've been doing the last 3 months, 4 months, last year. So if you look at this one now, if you check the last 1 year, you see how they are doing, and is this something I can put my money into? You will also see it there. So yeah, I want to buy the stock, the sovereign stock. You see, you can buy number of shares. Merely you put the number of shares, you see the amount you're going to pay. So 3 ways to make payments. You can either pay through bank transfer, Naira Stash, or through the account linked to your Cowrywise account. So you can click on make transfer. Then immediately it will, once they confirm your payment, you get your stock listed under all your available stock. So yeah, you come to Nigerian stock, the NG stock rather. Then under your positions, you're going to see the list of all the stocks you've paid for. If you buy any new one, if you pay for any one, you're going to see them listed under the stock available at the moment. So that on how to buy stock. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Sense with Samuel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace.